friends, welcome back to BPSC Learn from Home children. Now in the previous session I had said about the essay competition that this Ria had written the essay competition on the topic that is water pollution, and this water pollution which she had written, it was considered as one of the best and she had got first prize to her essay competition. And after she had got the first prize to her essay competition, she immediately wanted to tell to her parents about what it had happened in her school. So she ran away, she moved to her home and she's going to say that the principal ma'am had said her that if you are going to agree that then my name will be added in what children? That is in national level competition. Means who had said? The principal ma'am had said to Ria. So this Ria, she will move to house and she will say about this. Okay. And next, after listening to that, even mother also will say congratulations to her. What a wonderful you have done the work. Means who had said? Even the mother also had said her. And afterwards, and then the mother was totally busy by preparing the dinner in the kitchen. So she will say for Ria, you just read out the water pollution essay so that I would like to listen. And this girl, as she had dumped that essay paper in her bag, she will move to her study table and she will take that paper and she started reading loudly. That is what type of the essay what this girl had written. Now let us know children. Water pollution, a slow but steady killer. What is water pollution? It is the contamination of streams, lakes, other water bodies and even the underground water by harmful agents, which can cause damage to all living beings, as water is essential to life on earth. It is a phenomenon to be avoided at all costs. All kinds of organisms are found in water as it supports life, but what gives life can take it as well. Yes, water pollution is a great threat to human civilization today. The major water pollutants can be classified into three categories: physical, biological and chemical. Water pollution. Regarding the water pollution, what type of an essay this Ria had written? Now she is going to read out in front of her mother. Water pollution, a slow but steady killer. What is water pollution? You people are supposed to write the introduction to the essay competition. Means this girl, she had written what is water pollution. In that she had written that it is the contamination of the streams, lakes, other water bodies and even the underground water by harmful agents which can cause damage to all living beings. Means it is the contamination. What do you mean by contamination, children? Contamination is pollution. Okay, means it is the pollution which is caused by, when children, it is the streams, lakes and other water bodies and even by the underground water by harmful agents. Agents means, you can see here, something which has the power to produce an effect. The meaning of the agents means the pollution is caused that is of streams, lakes and other water bodies and even the underground water by harmful agents which can cause damage to all living beings. As water is essential to the life on earth. Okay, you people know that. You need water. It means water is very important in your life. Without water you cannot live. So that said that water is very essential to the life on earth and it is a phenomenon to avoid all the cost. Phenomenon means happening. Okay, it is one of the phenomenon to avoid whatever it may be. It may be the good or it may be bad. Means it is one of the important. The water is very essential in the life and it is a phenomenon to avoid all cost. All kinds of organisms are found in water as it supports life. Okay, all kinds of organisms, they are present in water that which are going to support our life. But what gives life can take it as well. Means this whatever the contamination, the water it had been polluted, the things some it may be harmful, some it may be good to the organisms which are present in water also. Yes, water pollution is a great threat to human civilization today. Yes, means the water pollution is one of the great threat. Threat means an expression of intent to injure or punish another. Means it is one of the important thing. This is the important thing which it is going to injure or punish other. Means it is one of the great threat to human civilization today. And next, the major water pollutants can be classified into 3 categories. Students, this is very important. People have to keep in your mind regarding water pollutants. They are again classified into 3 categories. First one is physical. Second one is biological. And last one is chemical. Okay, these are the 3 categories regarding the water pollutants. Okay, physical means it is that if you people are going to pollute the water, physically, for example, you may throw any waste, it may be the paper or even the plastic cover or anything, means physically you are throwing the waste in the water. That is regarding the physical. And next one is regarding biological. Biological is that, for example, you people, you may spit in the water or you may throw any waste in the water, or just it is regarding that is regarding the biological. And next one is about the chemical. Chemicals means it may be by the factories and which they are going to remove out by the factories in the water. And next it may be even if you are going to wash the clothes, the chemicals which will be left in the water. This all are the water pollutants. Okay, these are the 3 main categories regarding the water pollutants. But here, let us see the said about the important one is the third one, that is regarding chemical pollution. The most harmful of these 3 is the chemical pollution. Chemicals made use of to kill harmful insects and germs pollutes the water bodies when they flow into them. This in turn harms human beings and animals who use it. Widespread use of pesticides for agricultural purpose at times leads to the pollution of drinking water. Nitrates, a pollutant present in fertilizer effusion, can cause serious damage to the babies in the form of anemia. First, the main important word that is the third one, that is the chemical pollution. Means it is the most harmful of these 3, that is the chemical pollution. Chemicals made use of, means these chemicals, they are going to make use of killing harmful insects and germs. Means these chemicals are going to kill the harmful, what is that children? Insects. And next is germs. And next they have said even it pollutes the water bodies. Okay, even it is going to pollute even the water bodies when they flow in them. Okay. Pollutes even this one. It is regarding it harms to the insects, germs, and even it pollutes the, what is that? That is water bodies regarding the chemical pollution. And next, what she had written, let us hear. This in turn harms human beings and animals who use it. Okay, we human beings, we are going to drink that water. Okay, some people, we are going to drink the filtered water. There is no problem. But some other they are going to drink that water, and the animals are going to drink that water. But we people just are going to filter it, or after boiling we are drinking the water. But what about animals? It is going to harm them, no? Yes, that is what that's it over here. And next, it asks even the human being and animals who use it. Widespread of pesticides for agricultural purpose at times leads to the pollution of the drinking water. Widespread, even when they are going to use this pesticides. Okay, pesticides for agricultural purpose means they are using the pesticides for the sake of the purpose of agriculture. Pesticides means you people know that it may be the virus or bacterium or other organisms which kills or suppress the activities of pest. Okay, means they are going to kill. They are going to kill. It may be the virus or bacterium or any other organism. They are going to kill and suppress the activity of pest. And here what they have said, this widespread use of the pesticides for the agricultural purpose at times leads to the pollution of drinking water. Okay, by this, as they are going to use the widespread of this pesticides for agricultural purpose, by this it is going to pollute for the water which we are going to drink. And next is even the nitrates. Nitrates is one of the salt of nitric acid, a pollutant present in fertilizer effusion. You people know about the fertilizers, children? Fertilizers is the natural substance that is used to make the ground more suitable for growing plants. Okay, it is one of the natural substance that is used for the sake to it is used for the sake of growing the plants. That type of the fertilizers means the nitrates, a pollutant present in the fertilizer effusion. Effusion is one of the liquid outpouring. Okay, they are going to use the fertilizer effusion. Can cause a serious damage to the babies. Okay, when they are going to use this, what is that? The fertilizer effusion. Fertilizer effusion, it causes a serious damage in the babies, okay, to the small babies in the form of, that is, anemia. Anemia means, you know, children, a condition in which the blood doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells. Okay, means in that condition there will be when there is an anemia, it may cause that there will be not a healthy red blood cells in the presence of the babies. Means by using by the presence of this fertilizer effusion, it may cause to serious damage to the babies. And next, what the mother will say, let us hear. This is what this Riya had said to mother. Mother had said, what actually is fertilizer effusion? Can you please explain? Means who had said this? Mother had said, please once again you explain regarding this fertilizer effusion. Riya will say that this is water only, but carrying dangerous, damaging chemicals which flow to the water bodies from agricultural fields. What this Riya had said here, this is water only. It is just a water, but they are carrying dangerous or damaging chemicals which flows to water bodies for agricultural fields. Means they are going to carry, it may be the dangerous and they may damage the, means to the agricultural field. They are taking these type of a water. Means who had said this? Riya had said to who? That is mother. Means by this what did you understand, children? That is means when they are going to pollute the water, the same water they are using for the sake of the agriculture. And there may be again in the agriculture they may face a different problem. That is what she had said here. Next the mother will say, it is indeed quite a frightening information. We will all have to be very careful about such alarming news. Okay. Then the mother will say, it is a very frightening information. Really, it is what the information you have said, it is very frightening. and we people and we have to be very careful about this. Okay, we should be very careful that we should not pollute the water, and so that this is one of the alarming risks what you have said. By this, everyone should be aware of that we should not pollute water. And next what this Riya will say, let us hear. This is not all, there is much more to come. She carries on reading, and afterwards what this Riya will say, Mummy, this is not what I have written the essay, still some more it is there. I am going to read it out. And who has said? This Riya had said to mother. And next she started reading. Heavy metals such as copper, lead, mercury, etc. enter water from several sources like automobile exhaust, industries, mines and natural soil. When these harmful elements reach high level in the body, they bring in long-term health problems. For example, cadmium used in fertilizer can be absorbed by crops. What this girl is going to say here, this Riya, she had said that heavy metals, okay, heavy metals such as, some of the heavy metals such as, first she had said about copper, lead, mercury, etc. children. But she had said only copper, lead, mercury. These are the heavy metals. It enters water from several sources. Okay, means it is going to enter the water and it is going to pollute the water by the several sources. It may be the automobile exhaust. Automobile's exhaust. Exhaust means, children, I have written here, to drains off completely. Okay, drains off completely means it by the several source, means it is going to enter the water by the several source. It may be by the automobile's exhaust, and even the second one is by the industries, mines and natural soil also. Means these are the things which they are going to enter in the water. Means it is by the several source, that is, one is automobiles, industries, mines and natural soil. When these harmful elements reach high level in the body, these harmful elements, they are very harmful to human beings. When it reaches high level in our body, they bring in long-term health problems. Okay, means when they are going to enter in our body with the very high level, then we are going to face a lot of problems. So it will be for a long term. And for example, one more what she had said, that is cadmium. It is used in fertilizer, can be absorbed by crops. Okay, cadmium, it is one of the metallic chemical element. It is one of the metallic chemical element with an atomic number of 48. But regarding this cadmium, again this mother will ask, cadmium, what is that now? Means who will ask? Mother will ask, what this Riya will say? Means it is one of the cadmium. For example, cadmium is used in the fertilizer, can be absorbed in crops. Okay, cadmium, when they are using in the fertilizers, it is going to absorb our, what is that? Crops. Okay, means what about this cadmium she had said here? Again this mother will ask, what is the meaning of the cadmium? Then this Riya will say, children,